So Anand Ranganathan, till such time that a collective is decided, a collective face is decided, we have Modi, brand Modi versus a question mark. And you've seen the popularity of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and India under him. Do you think this question mark really will survive? And there are others like Shafiqur Rahman Barq, who of the Samajwadi Party, who says the minute the question of the prime ministerial face, one person comes up, there will be problems and there will be cracks in this alliance, and that is exactly what Saurabh Bharadwaj of the Aam Aadmi Party says. So where does that leave the India alliance?
Good evening, Navika. As I can put it, cabinet तैयार हो गई है, prime minister candidate तैयार नहीं हुआ है. But you know, before I come to the thrust of my thesis, and I have reserved quote unquote the best for my wonderful icon Arvind Kejriwal, our chief minister. I just want to respond to Acharya ji, because उन्होंने अपना पूरा, you know, the aces that he held close to his chest, उन्होंने disclose कर दिया. उनको मोदी को हराना है, इंडिया को नहीं जिताना है. This is their slogan, because Congress is accusing of democracy being killed in Bengal. उनके साथ मिल गए. TMC is accusing of Congress doing all the hanky-panky. Congress is accusing of CPIM perpetrating 100 crore camera scam in Kerala. Both of them are accusing Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab of, you know, kowtowing to separatists and Khalistani elements. All four of them are accusing Nitish Kumar for this region scam. सब एक दूसरे को accuse कर रहे हैं. Horse trading, झारखंड मुस्लिम मोख्तर को accuse कर रहे हैं. लेकिन कह रहे हैं मोदी को हराएंगे. तो मोदी को हराने के चक्कर में देश को जिताने की नहीं सोच रहे हैं. किसी तरह से, अरे भाई मोदी को ऐसे कोई नहीं हरा सकता नेगेटिव थिंकिंग में. जो मोदी काम कर रहा है वो रेप्लिकेट करो, तब हरा सकते हैं मोदी को. एंड एज फार एज केजरीवाल इज कंसर्न, नाविका, I hope they listen to me, but I don't think they do. But this, may I please give the pitch for Arvind Kejriwal were to be announced as the PM candidate for India Alliance. Sheesh Mahal, 45 crores. Liquor scam, 52 crores. Imported marble flooring, 6 crores. Curtains, 1 crore. Interiors, 11 crores. Kitchen appliances, 1.5 crores. Wardrobe, 1.4 crores. Toilet, 3 crores. That weather-beaten Aam Aadmi look with tattered chappal and big pen, loose pants, oversized unwashed shirts and oily hair, priceless. There are some things that an honest politician cannot buy. For everything else, there is master fraud. This should be his new ad, featuring as a PM candidate for the India Alliance. Honestly, what a monumental fraud. इस पे ज़्यादा बात क्यों नहीं हो रही है, नाविका? Why is the media other than you scared of talking about this? 45 crores. Could have bought thousands of oxygen cylinders, opened tens of mohalla clinics, and there's a panelist sitting there right now who's saying all this is completely a figment of your imagination. It could have fed tens of thousands of daily ads. Navika, I did not interrupt anyone. I waited for...
No, it's not a fake story, my friend. It's not a fake story. Ravi Srivastava, agar fake story hoti, then why would Mr. Arvind Kejriwal get my reporter arrested in Punjab? Why would he be so scared of the truth coming out? Why would he arrest Bhavna Kishore in Punjab and put her in jail? You know, Ravi Srivastava, everybody who keeps touting that they have the maximum numbers in terms of TRPs, fraud stories that are put out by other channels, they don't have the nerve to take on political parties and political leaders because their reporters go to jail, and nobody has the guts to face so much pressure. But
the competent authority and get it investigated.
He interrupted me. My time was taken.
All right, complete your point, Anand Ranganathan, and counter to Ravi Srivastava. Yes, Anand.
No, as I was saying, Navika, in a civilized, objective world where people judge journalism, your team and you would have got the Ramnath Goenka Award for what you've done. The AAP government ad spending has increased 4,273% over the last 10 years. This is the same Arvind Kejriwal who was deriding BJP and Narendra Modi, rightly so.
That's why Rahul Gandhi, that is why possibly Rahul Gandhi hasn't put his picture in the poster that has been put out by the Congress party.
अरे Saridol लाना, Ravi Srivastava जी आए हुए हैं. अरे Saridol लाना जरा एक मिनट, Ravi Srivastava. अरे अमृतांजन लाना जरा, Ravi Srivastava.
There's only one banner which
अमृतांजन.
There are separate banners in which Mr. Kharge is in the front, Kejriwal is there, everyone is there.
पर एक
So
बैनर
don't
में तो
decide
अरविंद
on one
केजरीवाल की
banner.
छूट गई ना
Let
फोटो,
it be-
एक
let
बैनर
it
में
be-
तो छूट गई ना फोटो।
रख दीजिए, आतिशी has said
सत्येंद्र
it,
भारत
and
रत्न-
Saurabh Bharadwaj has
भारत
said
रत्न
it.
सत्येंद्र
He's not
जैन
a
जी की
prime
आने
minister
वाली है फोटो।
candidate. Finish. You
Well-
keep on making stories.
डॉक्टर